everyone, this is the music visualizer project. So for taking the sound input we have used a microphone module, and that is giving an analog output at one of its pins. It's powered by 3.3 volt coming from the TIVA board, and it has an inbuilt amplifier, and it gives a DC bias of around 1.12 volts, and around that the value will oscillate based on the mic input, and the gain can be set by this potentiometer. On the TIVA board we have an analog input pin that has analog to digital converter. We are triggering the start of conversion using a timer that gives timer signal at every fixed interval based on the sampling frequency that we have set. And at the end of conversion from the ADC we are entering an interrupt, and in that we are storing the value into a raw interrupt array. And after we have done sampling the values equal to the sample size that we have set, in the main loop, in the main infinite loop, we are doing processing and we are doing display part. And this display consists of 8x16 LEDs. They are actually addressable LEDs, all are connected in series. So 8 into 16 LEDs all connected in series. And the way this works is that the first 24 bits are kept by the first LED and the rest of the bits are passed until we hit an end of the data. And based on those 24 bits it will set the R, G and B, the red, green and blue value of each of the pixel or each of these LED that we see here. And if we give enough number of packets we can control each of the LED up to the end, and the data in is going from here using this wire, and the data out of that is again entering the data in of the next series connected LEDs. So in that way we get a big connection of series connected LEDs. And then we have covered this using an acrylic sheet so that it does not have blinding effect. And after that what we have done is, when we reach the sample count, then we have two modes, one is time mode and one is frequency mode. In the time mode what we are doing is we are taking 1024 samples and averaging them into 8 bins, and each of these 8 levels we are showing on the each of this bar. And in the frequency mode what we are doing is we are taking 64 samples and we are taking a fast Fourier transform of that, and we are then averaging the output into 8 bins, so 32 outputs into 8 bins, and we are showing that frequency corresponding level, like in that frequency range what is the level.
अगलावा मजबूरी नू आन जान दी पसूरी नू जहर बने हाँ तेरी पी जावा मैं पूरी नू आना सी ओ नहीं आया दिल बांग बांग मेरा टकराया कागा बोल के दस जाए आवा क्यों दी चूरी नू रावा च ओनू लुकावा कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे डोल जुदाइया दी तेनू खबर के साथ तेरा